Hi, I'm live. It's Fiona Fernandez from Byfihandcrafts, and I'm a Stampin' Up! Independent demonstrator. So if you're online and you're wanting to watch an unboxing video, here I am. So I got my box. I got a big box this time. Look, let's get my snips out and cut that open. Oops, the daisies. Hello. I'll get this box open here. And there's my new catalogue. Look. Woohoo. I've got a catalogue. So if you're a demonstrator, you can get some of the things out of the new catalogue early as well with a pre-order, which is pretty exciting. Can't see any comments on here tonight, so I'll just unbox. Look at the comments later. Feel free to comment. So this is my Stampin' Up! Order now. Ooh, it's different to usual. It's all little boxes. We've got some air. I like to get some air in there as well. It's always handy. Keep everything safe and neat and tidy. So I've ordered some of the ink pad and marker storage to go on my desk. So I don't know if you've watched me live on Wednesday nights, but you can see my desk in the background, and I need a bit of tidy up over there. So I really like that they've got these little packets. You get one out. Which one have I got here? So they come with, let me see the picture. It's just a little stand so that you can put your ink pads on it. I won't get them all out because they're all the same. Let's get one out. They look like this. Got some little bits there. I'll have to sort that out later. But they stack on top of each other, and you can put your markers in the side there and your ink pad in there. So once I get them all set up, I'll have to do a little video for that. That's those over there, and lose those little bits. What else have we got? So they're all the same, those ones. And then I've got a couple of the embossing folders, so I'll be using one of these for my giveaways when I do my lucky draw prizes. So when I run my classes, we always have a lucky draw prize, and I put everybody's name into a little bowl I've got, and someone wins, so that's always exciting. So these are retiring, so I thought I'd get a couple while they're on sale. So that's in the last chance sale section of the Stampin' Up! Website. You're looking for them. And what else have I got here? Detailed heart. This is another thing. So these things I got because they're retiring. No longer available after they've all gone. This is gorgeous. So I've had my eye on this for a while, and it was on special. Always like a good special. So that's the heart dies. Are they gorgeous? So once you put them through your die cut machine, you get all the little hearts to play with as well. So it cuts them all out. Lovely. Lovely. That. And this one here is the top. So this is the topper. I only bought one topper because I thought I'll put the other bits together first. This was for the stamp storage. Grab that out of there. So that sits itself on top of the others somehow. I'm yet to work all that out. I don't think it's very hard. They just stack. They should just stack, I think, like that. Yeah. Somehow. I might have it round the wrong way. I think. There's a Stampin' Up! Logo on the front, so I'm guessing that goes to the front. Yes, there we go. Look. That's how they go. With the Stampin' Up! Logo just there. So that's going to look so nice and tidy, isn't it? Let's get an ink pad for that. grab an ink pad from over there. There we go. They sit in there like that. I don't have a marker handy. I've got a chalk marker. There we go. They sit all stacked on top of each other. So that should make my desk very neat and tidy. So thanks for watching and joining me. It's good to have you here. And if you are after a catalogue and you're not on my mailing list, that's the new catalogue. I can only show you the front cover at the moment. I'm allowed to do that, but I can't show you anything inside it. But I'll come close. Look at that. It's very pretty. Very nice. So there, that goes live in May. I think it's the 4th of May. Yep, that'll be live. So there'll be new products available. So I'll be live again Wednesday night for my usual card making and having fun with that. And I'm using the sweet strawberry stamp set this time, tomorrow night at 8:30. Okay, ciao.